Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Widgy and the Destination app. Make sure you have the correct widget pack installed. Once done, open the screen where the widget will live and enter editing mode. This is essential so you can drop content. You'll authorize Widgy if prompted, accept permissions to allow layout changes. Make sure any background layers or existing widgets are temporarily hidden because you need a clean canvas. Now you're ready to select and import the first widget template into the workspace. You choose the template and immediately set its dimensions. Resizing early prevents layout shifts. Next, bind data sources, pick from local files, APIs, or system variables, and test the connection so live data displays. Then focus on styles. Change fonts, colors, spacing, and opacity to match the host app. Once you apply interactions, like tap or swipe handlers, preview them. Make sure to save incremental versions while you tweak, because it's easier to revert than to rebuild. You drop the widget into its final position and lock it to prevent accidental moves. Once placed, run a full preview and interact with each control to confirm behavior. Refresh data sources to verify live updates. If everything looks good, export or commit the widget so changes persist. If something fails, check console logs for errors, confirm permissions, clear cache, and verify network endpoints. Those steps solve most problems. Finally, document the widget version and any special setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.